Hi, my name is Amanda Morrison, and this is my presentation on some of my career plans and ideas. So, as far as my future job, I want to be a marriage and family therapist. And what it is a highly trained mental health professional who helps families deal with relationships and behavioral issues. So basically, they do this through mental and emotional disorder treatment and other types of treatments that are more individualized. But as this second bullet point states, a marriage and family therapist seeks to modify perceptions and behavior as well as improve communication among families in crisis. So it's not just about the individual as with typical counseling, but instead it involves more of the families. Marriage and family therapists usually counsel families. They ask questions. They try to help them identify their feelings and behaviors, and that's how they seek to help their patients. And it's really a way to create a more individualized approach that will help them specifically. They develop and implement treatment plans and counsel clients, as I just said, and then they must maintain accurate case files and sometimes work with schools, social workers, doctors, law enforcement, and the court system. So as far as education that's required, it's just a master's degree in marriage and family therapy or in a related mental health field. And my current 4-year plan, it's right now I'm taking generals, and throughout the 4 years I'm going to take more specific courses. After I gain my master's degree, which usually only takes 1.5 to 2 years, then I'll look into further education such as a bachelor's or PhD. So the reasons I want to major in psychology is because I like helping people. I want to have a profession where it's going to make a difference and it's going to help others. It's something that I can apply into my life. So even if I were to get a job in a different field, all the things that I've learned in psychology would be beneficial to me and that I can apply in my relationships with others. And also counseling is a steady job. It's not too risky, nothing like involving the stock market or something that can be thrown aside and changed at the drop of a hat. And as far as how my reasons compare to those that are listed in Chapter 13, really the only one that's the same is that I have a very strong interest in the subject matter of psychology. And I guess that's it. Thanks for watching.